Hello, in this case we want to do the service on the transmission. We want to change the fluid or the gear transmission oil. We want to do it in this 2018 BMW R Nine T GS Urban. I'm going to show you the steps and then the tools and then the fluids, the transmission required for this service. This one is regular maintenance for the transmission. I like to do it in my motorcycles every 10,000 miles in the transmission. Alright, we can see right here the transmission fill plug, and then right here in the bottom this one is the drain plug of the transmission. We want to check it out first the fill plug. I'm going to show you how. We want to use the regular Allen. I have the long one, 8 millimeters. It's got a little magnet right here. And then with the 19 millimeters, we're gonna take it out the drain plug. Always want to use the oil pan. Make sure you have the crush washer in place. I'm gonna put the torque specifications in the description below. Make sure you don't have any fluid right in the exhaust. Right, we want to fill it up with transmission fluid approved by the BMW 8090, special for the gearbox. Little hose right here, so that way we have a good angle to add the fluid. I'm gonna add slowly. Fill plug. It's got a little magnet right here, so we want to clean it up. Like always, we keep records for these services. It's kind of an easy job to do the regular maintenance on your motorcycle. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.